What is Web3? A simple explanation for beginners. Imagine a version of the internet where you control your data, own your digital assets, and no one can take them away from you. Welcome to Web3, the future of the internet. In this video, I'll break down what Web3 is, how it works, and why it's a game changer for beginners like you. Stay tuned because by the end of this video you'll not only understand Web3, but you'll also see how it could change your life. Let's dive in. Welcome back to your go-to channel for understanding finance and technology in simple terms. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. And if you're excited to learn about the future of the internet, hit that like button. It helps us bring you more valuable content. Now let's explore Web3. To understand Web3, let's start with Web1 and Web2. Web1 was the first phase of the internet, static websites where you could only read information. Think of it as a giant library. Then came Web2, the era we're in now. This is the interactive internet, where you can read, write, and share content. Social media, e-commerce, and apps like YouTube all belong to Web2. But here's the catch in Web2. Big tech companies own and control the platforms. They collect your data, monetize it, and often limit what you can do. Enter Web3, the next evolution. In Web3, the internet becomes decentralized. This means it's not controlled by a single company or authority. Instead, it's powered by blockchain technology, which gives users more control, security, and ownership over their data and digital assets. So how does Web3 actually work? At its core, Web3 uses blockchain technology to create a decentralized internet. Instead of relying on a few centralized servers owned by tech giants, data is stored across a network of computers. These are called nodes, and they ensure the system stays secure and tamper-proof. Web3 also introduces the concept of digital ownership. Through blockchain you can own things like cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and even virtual real estate. For example, if you buy an NFT, it's yours. No company or platform can delete it or take it away from you. Another key feature is smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts that automatically enforce agreements when certain conditions are met. Think of it as automated trust. This makes Web3 not just an evolution of the internet, but a foundation for decentralized applications, or dApps, that can run without intermediaries. Now you might be wondering, why should you care about Web3? Here are 3 reasons. First, data ownership. In Web3, you own your data. You decide who gets access to it, and you can even earn from it. This flips the script on the current model where big tech profits off your information. Second, decentralization. Because Web3 is decentralized, it's less vulnerable to censorship, hacks, and control by a single entity. Imagine a world where no one can shut down your account or control what you can post. Third, new opportunities. Web3 opens doors to new economic systems like DeFi or decentralized finance, where you can lend, borrow, and earn without traditional banks. It also paves the way for virtual worlds and economies in the metaverse. Let's look at some real-world examples of Web3 in action. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are the building blocks of Web3. They allow for decentralized transactions without a middleman. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, on platforms like OpenSea let you buy and sell digital art and collectibles that you truly own. DeFi platforms such as Aave and Uniswap let you earn interest, trade assets, and more without a bank. And decentralized social media is another exciting area. Imagine a social network where you own your posts and control who sees them. Platforms like Lens Protocol are making this a reality. Of course, Web3 isn't perfect. It's still in its early stages and faces challenges like scalability, complexity, and high transaction fees on some blockchains. There's also a steep learning curve for beginners, but that's where channels like this come in to help you navigate the space. Web3 is more than just a buzzword, it's a vision for a better internet, one that empowers you, the user. Whether it's through owning your data, exploring DeFi, or diving into the metaverse, Web3 offers endless possibilities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Finance General. And if you're curious about which cryptocurrencies are leading the charge into the Web3 era, check out our video on top 5 altcoins to watch in 2025. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.